As AI computing density places higher demands on data center cooling, traditional chilled water plants often face long construction cycles, complex site management, and high operating energy. At the recent AI+HVAC Innovations Conference, Runpaq Technology presented its prefabricated, thermal energy storage-equipped cooling station alongside its self-developed AIoT energy carbon management platform. Featuring the factory-integrated containerized cooling module, all chillers, pumps, and piping are assembled and tested off-site before direct shipment to the DeepSeek AI computing facility. This plug-and-play architecture significantly shortens installation time, reduces site contamination risks, and provides stable thermal management for high-density AI servers. Factory prefabrication, containerized modularity, AIoT smart dispatch, and thermal storage integration. These elements redefine cooling infrastructure for commercial complexes and data centers alike. What cooling architecture is your data center currently evaluating for high-density racks? Share your thermal specifications in the comments below, or DM us directly to receive a modular cooling station technical proposal.